welcome back to my YouTube channel. Thank you so much for being here today. I hope that you're doing as well, and just wanted to share with you a couple of things about this cute little breed of puppy right here on my right side. Oh, this is Light. So she's now a French bulldog. She's already 3 months old puppy, and she's been with family for that long time, or that short period of time, but she's definitely a cutie, definitely worth the time spending with her. And I also just wanted to share this idea with you guys, whether this kind of breed is going to be for you or for your family or not. So yeah, there are just a couple things that I wanted to share with you. Just based on experience in the past couple years that we've been taking care or breeding French bulldogs in the family. So yeah, let's get started. But before we do, by the way, please do not forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't done so already. And also please don't forget to click on the notification bell below so that you'll always be notified every time I do upload videos like this. And yeah, you can definitely share and like this one. Thank you, I really appreciate that. So yeah, let's get started. Okay, so the first one that we have for you is that this kind of breed right here, they are definitely fun-loving and they love to be with people or around people. So if you have them in your family, definitely they'll seek for attention. They always wanted to be with you, to be cuddled, to be pet. So yeah, that's number one thing that you have to remember. Secondly is that, as you all know, this breed is a small breed, so they do not require huge space to be in. So you can be in an apartment or a condo. Yeah, you basically don't have to consider being a very large space in order to take care of this small dog. Next is, sorry about the noise in the background. That's our other French bulldogs in the garage because we have like 14 of them at home. Oh, 16 actually. And the third idea is that they do not require too much exercise. They're not really super hyperactive, so being able to spend time with them playing or just, walking them outside for a few minutes will do. As you can tell, they have a very short snout. Is that what you call that? That's the kind of, or that's how they basically were bred a long time ago. So, okay, so the next fact is that this breed does not shed that much. So if you can tell on the video, their fur is like super duper. They're super duper skinny, so it's almost you cannot see the fur on this kind of breed. So it's perfect if you are that kind of person who do not really want to have, fur sheds within your household, and you don't want to clean up like every single day, or you're probably allergic to it. So this one is going to be right for you. Next is, this is one of the most controversial facts about having a French bulldog, is that this particular breed is expensive or very expensive for some. Yeah, here in the Philippines, there might be some breeders who can sell, kind of in between, let's say 15,000 to 25,000 per puppy. But be careful, because some breeders may actually tend to not be honest with the history of the dog, the paperwork and stuff like that. So do your research and make sure that all those will be researched before because typically this kind of breed, the price ranges between like 25, depending on the gender, so about 25 to 100 to 200 something thousand. Again, it depends because there are different colors, fad colors, standard colors, so the price really varies depending on those kinds of things. Next is, another thing is health concerns. So if you have a French Bulldog, you have to be very concerned about their health as well, because during the summer they might have heat stroke. During the winter they might feel really cold, so you have to be worried about that. And do a little research on how you can supply their needs during those season. For example, during summer, what we do is that we get a cooling pad and also make sure that they get a lot of ventilation and also liquid for their body. And also some health concerns would be they tend to be very sensitive. Their eyes are very sensitive with dirt or foreign material because they have big eyes. So other concerns would be like cherry eyes. You can do more research about it, but basically what cherry eye is that the eyes are getting reddish or pinkish and they have this like a muscle or something like that comes out of the eyes and it gets pus or something like that. So you definitely need to make sure that they'll be checked by a vet, and make sure that you also clean their face. You can do that as a habit, like after they eat, and they do not really need to bathe every single day. Once a week will be fine as long as you clean up your puppies or your French Bulldog's face, especially the fold right here, because that's the area where they're getting most of the dirt from the food that they eat and stuff. So that's basically it. And what else? So that's just about it. So this dog is perfect if you are in small areas. Consider those things. And as you can tell, this Light is one of the new puppies that we have this year, and she is, as you can tell, she is really good. She's a good temper. She just put her here and she will play. She'll not go, anywhere else. So if you love this kind of behavior on a dog, then definitely French Bulldog would be for you. So what are you waiting for? If you have questions or concerns about this breed, shoot me a message, comment down below, or you can follow me on my Facebook, Rendon-Cruz, and let me know if you have questions for that. Alright, so thank you so much guys for watching this video. I hope to see you again on the next one that I'll be creating about French Bulldogs. That would be very helpful for you. So I hope you have